How to fix Play Store payment error. So in this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Google Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to open the settings of your phone and go directly to apps. Here on apps you have to search for Google Play Store. When you found it, open it like this and then go to storage option. Here go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last step is to go into here permission and click on file and media, and you have to allow this access to media only. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.